everyone, Melissa here. Coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. We bring you a theme each week, and this week's theme is birthday. Next week's theme will be Maker's Choice, so you can create anything come next week. But if you have the chance this week, please join in on our collabs. We also enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So this week, my sentiment is from Butterfly Stamp and Dies, and it's from my creative time. I think I made Celebrate You or use Celebrate You or something like that. You'll see it on the card. And then I'm also using the Cuddle Bug embossing folder, which is called Happy Birthday. And there we go. That's what I'm using. Round oval dies, which is from my creative time. Love these. Also from my creative time, party cake die. And I'm using that candle there. And then from Spellbinders, I am using, what is the name of this? Topsy Turvy Cake, and I just used the top three on there. And I may have used some of these little squiggly things. And then also for my creative time, I'm using rectangle frame dice. And here's the card I created. I love teal. It's beginning to be one of my favorite colors. Actually, probably my favorite color. The other color is green, but love this color. And so Celebrate Your Day, that's what I'm using. And I thought it turned out really cute. Look at all that detail from the embossing folder to the little oval die, and then look at that cake. That adds so much detail. And I tried to alternate the colors in between there, and I added some stars back there. Really, really cute. And let's see what I did with the inside. It's plain, but I still love how it turned out. But really cute card. And if you have the time to enter in on the collabs, make sure you use those hashtags. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.